Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Tilbury, Ontario, is located on the western edge of Chatham-Kent, just off Highway 401. It's known for being a convenient stop along the route, with 2 highway interchanges and easy access to the Windsor-Detroit border. This location makes it an attractive spot for travelers, but the town offers so much more than just convenience. Tilbury is sometimes called the light between the lakes because it's close to both Lake Erie and Lake St. Clair, 2 beautiful water bodies that are perfect for boating, fishing, and relaxing by the shore. You'll find parks, trails, a splash pad, an outdoor pool, athletic fields, and even a skateboard park, great for people of all ages. The heart of Tilbury features a historic downtown, filled with boutique shops and cozy restaurants. A highlight is the 175-year-old clock in the town center, symbolizing Tilbury's long history. You'll also see colorful murals along the main street, adding charm and personality to the area. Tilbury has a strong French heritage, reflected in the local culture and language. In fact, it's designated as a French language service area under Ontario's French Languages Services Act. This gives it a unique bilingual flavor that visitors often appreciate. So whether you're here for a quick stop or looking to explore its lakes, history, and culture, Tilbury offers something for everyone. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you enjoyed learning more about this welcoming little town.
Thanks for watching!